What's this, guys? It's a jolly motorless car. Seems to be a growing number of these around the countryside. Can't keep an engine in one. School mate, where'd the engine go?
It's my birthday.
Happy birthday, Reuben. So old now.
Oh yeah.
What does it feel like being halfway there?
Right. Almost dead.
Maybe before Reuben dies, we'll get this project finished. Who knows? Catch us in episode 3032 of Suzuki Rebuild.
The motor's been in and out that many times. This will be the third time I've welded mounts into this. For the same motor.
Why so many times?
Every time. I'm just not quite happy with it.
Oh, you know why? It's because I think it might be the wrong make.
Oh no.
It's meant to be a Suzuki engine.
Oh.
It's got a Toyota engine. Oh well.
I could probably just grind that up and we can get Kiwi to weld Suzuki on there.
He's having a browse. He says it's good. This time,
It just looks
engine mount version number 3. Don't know where we're going to fit the turbo, but I'm guessing it's going to go on soon somewhere. Maybe like here, this area.
There's a turbo in the office that might be going on it.
What about that one from my house?
That's too big.
It's bigger than this whole engine. Just make a turbine instead,
Yeah.
like a jet car.
What I was trying to say was I have an endless air in there.
Oh, an endless air, yeah, nice. Just endless air, yes. Yeah.
It's a compressor
that
that's
is.
been converted to a compressor.
Yeah, right. Cool conversion.
Pumping up
Here,
tires.
here at RMR Diesel, we convert things to things they already are. So we've just had a quick look at it and we've decided that's the spot with no real other thought than it looks pretty good.
There's not a tape measure inside. Hey?
No tape measures involved. We just quickly checked the old pizza box.
Bon
Bon appetito. Don't worry, Reuben, we just use our micrometers.
Oh, here and there, there's nothing. Hey.
Micrometer's all good, it says it's fine.
If that's in the centre, then
Okay.
we're a little bit off.
Happy birthday, Reuben. Thanks for being an awesome friend, and hopefully next time we see this Zook, it'll be out at Lancelin with some 4AG power. Oh yeah.